Welcome to the Oracle HCM Technical online training video. This program is designed to provide you with the essential knowledge and skills needed to excel in the field of Oracle Human Capital Management. Oracle Human Capital Management Cloud, or Oracle HCM, is a comprehensive cloud-based solution. It manages and optimizes all aspects of human resources. It helps businesses streamline HR processes, improve employee engagement, and make data-driven decisions. Why choose Oracle HCM? It offers a complete HR solution and cloud-based technology with high industry demand. Learning Oracle HCM can significantly boost your career growth in the cloud and HR domains. Oracle HCM's key features include core HR management, talent management, and payroll management. These features combine to make it a complete and intelligent HR solution for improved efficiency and employee experience. Oracle HCM provides significant advantages by automating and simplifying HR operations. It reduces manual work and processes like payroll and attendance, allowing HR teams to focus on strategic activities. Oracle HCM roles are generally divided into functional and technical consultants. Functional consultants configure the system and work on HR modules, while technical consultants handle integrations, reports, data migration, and system customization. In conclusion, Oracle HCM is a powerful, modern solution transforming human resource management. Its cloud platform, advanced analytics, and user-friendly features simplify HR processes, improving both efficiency and employee satisfaction. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please visit our website at www.hopeinfotech.com or contact us at 9,951,609,609.